Showing us something.
Welcome back, YouTube. We're Talking Stick Resort on some Dragon Lane Golden Gong. We got a $1,600 ticket in there. We have been playing on that. We are up about 1,000 right now.
This thing's got a maxed out grand.
It does.
So.
All right, 6 balls, 3 gongs. He is our wild.
And as you know, we've never won a grand.
No, we're working, we're trying.
Gong us. You're late.
Come on.
Now this gong bonus is a lot of fun. The free games.
Yes.
On the 5 lines because he throws.
He shaboots.
Like Vegas Roller says, shaboots.
Nice, a little bit.
But he's not showing any balls.
Come on.
But we have hit 2 majors today, so
we have
a major roll. So let's get our 3rd major on our 3rd machine.
Come on.
Start showing us something.
2 more, 1 more. Let's go.
Showing us something. All right, ready?
Yep, get it.
Let's go.
All right, shaboot it, baby.
Show me them all.
Oh, look at that. Blocked by some balls.
2 more.
Again, blocked. Terrible.
Yeah. Back to back. You know, so this one's only landing balls in 2s.
Yeah.
That whole bonus was just 2s.
Come on. Couple roosters.
Oh.
All the gongs went by, man. How about here?
This is where we're gonna get it.
You think so? Should have been.
Lucky left hand to help out the process.
Come on.
Maybe it always just lands in 2s. Maybe I'm tripping.
No, we do a lot of 3s and 1s. What's going to be the lucky one here, man?
I don't know. Right now, that's it. Don't block this.
Oh no, that curse on the first.
Strong.
It's strong, yeah. I don't even remember the last time we got.
As strong as a 4-trigger curse.
Yeah.
Some people say there's a re-trigger curse too. If you get re-triggers in the bonus, it's never a good bonus.
Like repeated re-triggers or?
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. Nothing's hitting here.
I don't know.
We're down about almost 400.
All right, let's almost undefeated. But we're up on the day, so
Yeah.
we could feed a little bit to get the bonus. Oh, we got one.
Yeah, remember it didn't really pay anything.
It's on a $5 bet. It was like $45.
Come on.
3.
Well, I don't think it's doing anything. Almost down. 3. That was a lot of money.
That would have been perfect timing too.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, big balls. Where you at?
Everywhere but where they need to be. It is not giving nothing.
I thought that had done it. Alright, neighbor bonus. This is what we've been waiting for. Get us in it. Come on.
That's 2. Come on. Get him.
$600 down?
5.
It's like a world record.
3. 3 right here.
Break it. Two more.
I don't want to say Golden Gong was a terrible idea, but Golden Gong is not doing very good.
It can turn around right now.
Of course.
And then it's bonus after bonus. We just got to get it in that cycle. So line it so to help out.
That's mean. And those darn symbols have to blend in so much.
Oh, I thought you got it for some reason. I was like, oh, good. There it is. Get it.
This is brutal.
It'll be exciting when we get it to watch.
I think that's the most freaking balls we've got on the screen.
Genghis was on fire. It's been the opposite.
I don't know.
Where did we get the bonus? 1 cent?
I don't remember.
I think it was here.
No, I think it was 10 or something.
What?
No, I don't think it was 1 cent.
I know it's $5.
Come on. 3 more backside. It did not want to give it to us.
All right,
neighbors and the Genghis bonus.
Come on.
2. Come on.
Pull us.
Pull us up out of the hole. At this point, we might as well just fire off like $25 bets since it's all just going down.
There you go. down
go.
for your plan.
Big money. Come on.
There you go.
Nice, $100. How about a $250 and they're making it $500? Big money, come on.
Major. Be nice in there.
It is a mini party.
A minor would be nice. Any words?
Come on.
Aw. Still good. Better than the $5 one. Neighbors battling. I mean, the low was still down like 300, but it's not bad. Saw some life at least.
I know. Oops, didn't want to go. 2. One more.
Nice.
Where are those gongs? 3.
There you go.
Got a few.
Cock-a-doodle-doos.
Ah, come on, gongs. Come on. 5 of a kind. Should have left me on them $10 bets.
You wouldn't have got it.
You never know.
Oh. 2 more. There you go. Gong it, gong, 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 gong. I think there's only one gong in this machine.
Yeah. Go ahead, whatever you want to do.
One.
That is not what I meant when I said whatever you want to do. But
Went for it, you guys. Went up that $25 bet. Well, you had said, oh, might as well just, if we were gonna, you know, put like 900 in, might as well have done it on $25 bet. So that's where I was thinking.
oh, that should have connected.
One more.
Went by. It went by.
Kings and jacks.
One more. Gone.
Come on.
Golden gone. Come on. You've been so much nicer to us before.
Yeah, this is a more brutal one.
That's a tragedy.
$25.
You want it there? You want it there?
Go right here. And we do it to 800.
And you want it here, not on 10 cents?
Yeah, let's do it here. I know that the line pays aren't as good, but we are up. Maybe we'll catch something.
There's so much tight, like tension. I don't know. It's so.
Come on. It's not working.
No.
That's okay. Right now. It's just not a lot. You got it.
You have one more? All right.
Let's just do it.
That's...
Come on. We've got $20 bonuses before. I know it's not a lot of spins. We are up a lot of money.
You dude.
No, you're good. You can do whatever you want.
I don't know. This is nerve-wracking.
I know.
It's a lot of money going.
But if we get a bonus, be even. One more. When we get a bonus. Alright.
Alright guys, 10-cent max bet, $25. Let's go.
Come on.
Make it good, Golden Gong.
Oh. Tens win or queens there? Come on, get out of there, balls, please. Don't ruin this bonus.
We could have had the guys. Could have been so much better.
One.
Fucking bullshit. $25 bet.
Come on.
Oh. It makes me not even want to continue.
Hey, that's the gamble. We went for it, we got it, and it wasn't good. That means the next one will be good.
This is crazy, ridiculous.
I say, you want to take our 500 and run?
Yeah, oops, that's not what I wanted to know.
One more. I say we take our 500, you guys.
Down 1,100.
A decent L. We're still up for the day. Here. Let's try these. And pair bus, come on. It's never worked for us. It's got to work one time for us. One more. Oh.
This is outrageous.
Come on. Give us those gongs. Nice. Bamboos. Gongs.
One more. Stupid.
Come on. Let's change the mood around. Let's change this mood.
Oh, we put $1,600 into the machine.
Yeah, that happens.
For absolutely nothing.
We're still up quite a bit for the day, so. And the only reason we're up for the day is got lucky. One more.
You know, even if we hit the minor, it wouldn't even be equivalent to what we put in the machine.
Yeah,
Did
but
you know that?
if we get a really nice bonus, like if we get in the bonus, the free games, then it's the guy, it's going to be way more than what we put in. We know that.
Well, considering that each bonus we've been in has been awful, and we put in $1,600.
The good one is right here.
Woo, did you see it? It happened.
Reservations now by visiting talkingstickresort.com. Orange Sky.
What misery. That was awful.
One more. Alright.
Alright,
Well,
guys.
you guys, that was a little bit of a disaster, but we went for it. We're still up quite a bit on the day, so you know, let us lose $1,600 at the casino. You stay at home, you watch, enjoy, like, and subscribe, and we'll be back tomorrow.